So guys, it's getting on my nerves really because actually I like rain and like rainy weather, and it's cool when you sit by the window and read a book and enjoy the noise of raindrops. But it's cool when it lasts for a few days and not more. And now we see it's the second summer, like 2025 and now 2026. It's just impossible to enjoy the nature. It's impossible to enjoy being outdoors. And we had a plan. We have a plan to go out of the city for one day, and we booked a place on the 1st of June. But you see now that it's going to be like that on the 1st of June. And actually the outskirts of that place we booked is fantastic, unbelievable, and you hardly can enjoy it during this foggy, rainy, windy weather. This is my speech for the beginning of the vlog.
I see your face every time I close my eyes. I write your name on every paper that I write, and I don't know I'll ever meet you again. I keep on looking at the door for you to come in. Come up to me and say,
I feel a connection with you, and a spark can start a forest fire. There's some kind of magic in you, and I've never seen it quite the same. It's the same thing, kinda.
and I want.
Today is Sunday, guys, and we are going out of the city to the countryside. And actually, we changed the departure date from Monday to Sunday because of the weather. Tomorrow, it's promised being total nightmare all day long. It will be raining heavily, and it will be also cold. And this is why we decided to ask the administration to change the date. So we are starting today, not tomorrow. And honestly, I feel strange today. Usually when we go out of the city, I'm so overwhelmed and excited about our trip. But today I don't feel it. And I don't know why. Maybe because of the weather, maybe because of some other reasons. I don't know. I'm going to switch off our phones, and I'm going not to monitor the social networks. I will try not to post anything, maybe tomorrow. And the weather is still a big lie because you see the sky is nearly clear, but it's still under 20 degrees today. It's still under 20 degrees today, so a little bit cold. So guys, let's together make a home tour, and then I will unpack the things we brought with us. So this is a bedroom with such a beautiful view on Volga River. It's the only and the first reason why we booked this glamping. Then on the left or on the right, when you come into the house, there is a bathroom. The shower, wow. The sink, the toilet, a cool box with some supplies, mirror. Okay, let's go to the kitchen. It's the kitchen, looks pretty good. It even has an oven, or maybe it's a microwave. A table. It's really a wooden table. Wow. This is an armchair, very cozy. Coffee table, TV, sofa, a rug, very soft, and a door to the balcony. Oh my god. Мне кажется, здесь можно босиком даже. Ты брал носочки?
Да.
Ну, если что, постираем потом. So what do you think? Что думаешь? Красиво, да, тут?
Да, прикольно.
Le sorgenti ai fiumi mescolasi, mescolasi i fiumi al mare, i venti in ciel si uniscono con dolce palpitare, l'una con l'altra fondesi.
I don't know how it works in your city, in your country, and at your place, but we don't have this in our studio, and I think this is a very useful thing, and we will have it at some new place in future. О, стрекоза была сейчас. Somebody's gardens. I like this bath tub.
Клубничка.
Strawberry.
Все?
Нам пришли из безопасности перевозок по поводу проблемы со шпангоутом.
Ты идешь? О.
Нет.
Я не прос...
Да, убирай.